You think AI is coming for your job. That sounds believable, it spreads fast. But it hides a more uncomfortable truth. AI will not expose that you use AI. It will expose whether you can think. Why does that matter? You can already generate hundreds of lines of code in seconds. You can scaffold projects before your coffee cools down. But when the code breaks, the prompt ends and your understanding begins. Researcher Donald Knuth spent decades arguing that programming is about communicating ideas, not just producing code. That lesson matters even more now. AI writes faster. You still have to judge whether it is right. Can you explain why a solution works? A famous study by Holtzblatt showed that understanding real users changes how software is built. AI cannot interview your client with genuine responsibility. It cannot own the consequences of a poor design choice. You can. Another lesson comes from Fred Brooks, whose work on software engineering warned that there are no magical shortcuts to complex software. Every generation searches for one anyway. Today, many people believe that shortcut is AI. The hard part has never been typing. The hard part has always been making good decisions. Have you noticed what experienced programmers actually do? They ask better questions. They reduce complexity. They notice hidden assumptions before they become expensive bugs. AI helps with those tasks only when your thinking already has direction. Without that direction, it simply accelerates confusion. Studies by Ethan Mollick on AI-assisted knowledge work show that AI often boosts productivity, especially for less experienced users. But higher output is not the same as higher quality. Someone still needs to verify facts, evaluate trade-offs, and recognize subtle mistakes before they reach production. That is where professionals separate themselves. The best programmers are not the fastest typists. They are the fastest learners. They read documentation. They test assumptions. They change their minds when evidence demands it. AI rewards those habits because it amplifies whatever mindset you bring into the conversation. So stop competing with the machine. Compete with the version of yourself that memorized syntax without understanding systems. Build judgment instead. Build curiosity. Build the habit of asking why before asking how. The future does not belong to programmers who refuse AI. It also does not belong to programmers who depend on it for every answer. It belongs to people who can think clearly, communicate precisely, and use powerful tools without surrendering responsibility. You thought AI was coming for your job. The real question was whether you were still willing to think.
Thanks for watching. You can watch our latest uploads. Want more of us? Don't forget to like and subscribe.